Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this new colored Elmer's glue that I have never seen before, and I don't think you guys have seen it before either. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below so you won't miss another video like this and turn my post notification. So yeah, let's get started. So I found this new colored Elmer's glue on Amazon with so many other colors, but I could not get them because they were all sold out. I don't know if they haven't stocked them, but this was the only one that was in stock, so I decided to get this one. So I've really never seen no one use this glue or test this glue out, so I really think that Elmer's hasn't announced it, so I'm really excited. So when I opened the little bottle of glue, it's a 5 ounce, you guys. So when I opened it, I thought it was gonna be like a normal consistency of the clear glue, but it's actually more runnier. I think it's a different formula they use because it's more runnier. It's more like the consistency of the matte white glue. So I think they use a different formula. So I didn't want to use a lot because this is the only one I bought, and I spent over $16 just for the little bottle of glue and 2-day shipping. That was expensive. This bottle of glue is $5, you guys. If you guys want to buy it, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go buy it. So to activate it, I used my normal method of borax. It's 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax to activate it. So once I added the borax, it started activating like normal glue. I thought it wasn't gonna activate just because it's a weird consistency, but on the bottle of the glue, it actually says it's meant for slime, or it's perfect for slime. So I was like, I don't know. So yeah, I just started activating it, and it did start activating. So I tried doing the slow method, to make my slime more clear faster, but that didn't work. It needed a lot of activator, because this actually needed so much activator, and it was so hard to activate. So I just started kneading and kneading until it actually started forming my slime. So the smell of this glue is actually different than the clear one. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like more of a rubberish type of smell. But if you guys want to get it and smell it for yourself, then go ahead. I'll leave everything down below. So my overall opinion about this glue is I really like it. I think it's perfect for not doing too much work for your slime. You don't have to go through the trouble of coloring your slime because they sell so many other colors. The other colors I've seen they have is purple, pink, and blue, and this green one. I think they only have 4 clear ones, but they also have opaque ones, you guys. They have other colors, but they're not clear. They're the white ones mixed with food coloring. So they also have those. I think they have dark purple, dark blue, dark green, and other colors like that, and they look really cool, but they weren't in stock. So if you guys want to see another video like that, then leave down in the comments below. So this slime is actually super nice. You can make swirls, and it's not that sticky like other slimes, and the click noises when you start poking it is so nice. It does a lot of popping noises when you squish it. I really recommend this glue if you guys want to make or start a slime shop. It's a really nice glue, and the consistency of it is really nice. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and leave down in the comments below if you want me to test out more glues from Elmer's. I've heard they also released a glow in the dark glue, and I'm really excited to find that somewhere else because I don't want to order another glue online. But yeah, if you guys like this video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.